and they are present in about 118 countries, close to around 1,34,000. The number which is written here is some time back, but as of now, it is about 1,34,000 agents who have joined the organization, and they are associated with REMAX. REMAX offices are something like this. And I'm going back to giving you the brief about the organization.
Excuse me, sir.
Sridhar, the screen.
Excuse me, sir. Basically, only the Facebook page is seeing. Whatever you are trying to show is not visible now.
Oh, is it so? Okay.
Yeah, it is. It is.
All right. Then I will begin from the beginning.
Yeah, please, sir. Please.
Is this page now visible?
Yes.
Okay, a very warm welcome to all of you who have joined this virtual property exhibition. So before we get on to the showcasing the properties, it is important for me to introduce myself and my organization. My name is V. Sridhar. I am the founder and promoter of REMAX Ace Reality Baswangudi, which is based in Bangalore. And REMAX Ace Reality is one of the franchise offices of 8,000 offices of REMAX in the world. And I'm one such organization in Bangalore. We are present in about 118 countries. Our global website is remax.com. We have about 1,34,000 REMAX agents across the world. We are very technologically connected with each and every one of them. We are #1 real estate broking company in the world. We are not saying that we are one of the largest company. We are saying we are #1. The nearest competitor is nowhere matching our volume of sales. There are 200 offices in India. And in India, we have about 1,500 agents across. Okay. We also have good number of offices in each city. We are present in about close to 55 cities in India. All our REMAX offices, by and large, looks like this. This is the kind of offices that you can see in most of the places. Brand is the same usage. Red, blue, and white are the kind of brand colors that we are using. And REMAX style also is almost written everywhere in the same fashion. So these are our business associates who are presently working in my team. Starts with left side corner, the person who's wearing the coat, gray color coat. I'm going to start from there. He is Dilip. Next to him, red t-shirt is Gautam Naik. Next to him is Mahesh. We have two Maheshes, so he is called Mahesh Junior. Next to him is Prasad Patti. Below, blue color coat is Manjunath. Next to him is Savitha. Next to her is Tushara. Next to her is Yogesh Javeri. Then we have Narayan Naik, Utpal Mehta, Sudesh Kavlekar, Sandeep Rahul, Gopinath, Srinivas Murthy, Mahesh, and Nirav Mehta. We also have Ujjwal and Chandrasekhar. This is Anand, and next to Anand is me, myself. So now what I'm going to do is to invite each and every business associate to come forward and present before all of you their properties for this virtual exposition. Okay, so I'm inviting Utpal Mehta to start with. Utpal Mehta, if you're ready, I can start showing the link and you can present before the audience. Over to Utpal Mehta. Utpalji, are you able to
Yeah.
unmute yourself and talk?
Yeah, sir.
Are you ready? Can you
Yes,
just
sir.
switch on your video?
I will share the screen.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll click it here.
Yeah.
Can you switch on the video?
Yeah, it's on.
No, Utpal Mehta only name is coming. Okay, your first property is now being
Ghatkopar East.
Ghatkopar East. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a prime area and on 90 feet road. And this flat is 2 BHK flat. It is available at 1.99 CR. And this is very near to the upcoming metro, a few meters away from upcoming metro of Vadala to Thana.
Guadalupe. So we'll
Yeah,
move to the next.
yeah. This is a very prime location in Ghatkopar West. It is just opposite our city, and the address by Vadwa is a very well-known premises, and it's a prestigious project of Vadwa. It has all the amenities: swimming pool, gym, uh, garden, children park, and amphitheaters, all the amenities. And this property is 3,100 square feet, and this is on a very higher floor. We have got two flats available in the same building known as Panorama, and this property is available at 10 CR.
Okay. So we'll move on to the next, which is also again address Vista.
Yeah, this is again the address. This is 2,350 square feet property. This is also 4 BHK, and this is also this we have two flats available at lower floor and two flats available at very higher floor. So the lower floor flat is at 6.5 CR, and the higher floor flat is available at 7.5 CR. And this again, as it is from the address, it has all the amenities available.
Next is Gansoli project.
Yeah. This is a 3 BHK flat, and it is available at 2.35 CR. This is this here also we have got three flats available, two flats on 25th floor and one flat on 21st floor. This is available at 2.35 CR. It is 3 BHK with two car parks, and this is also very prime area in Navi Mumbai. Ghansoli is very well known area, and this is in a beautiful tower with all necessary amenities.
Okay. Also state that whether it is a new property or a resale property.
This all are resale properties, sir.
Okay. Next is Godrej.
The tree of from Godrej. This is a new property. Here we can have one BHK to 3 BHK flats, and this is at Vikhroli with all the prime amenities. And this is spread on 35 acre of land, and the one of the side view is totally greenery as it is shown in the picture. It is really same kind of this is actual picture, and we can have 1 BHK at 1.8 starting at 1.85 CR.
Okay. And it goes on up to 3 BHK, is it?
3 BHK up to 5 CR.
Okay. Gunwal.
Gunwal Gardens. This is at Dombivali, and this is spread on 115 acre of land. And the tagline is everything is available at 5 minutes walking distance. Means fire station, hospital, or any amenities you say, it is available at 5 minutes walking distance. A jogging track, swimming pool, children park, yoga center, all the amenities. It has got around 200 amenities. Sorry, 125 amenities available. So the screen is not available.
Yeah, I think some issue in the network. Yeah, 3 BHK wrong. Go. Yeah, this is.
This is at Kopar Khirna. This is a row house, a ground plus 2 building, row house available at 1.4 CR.
Okay, which location?
It is at Kopar Khirna and Navi Mumbai.
Any idea how old is this
In,
building?
huh?
How old is this building?
This is around 5 to 7 years old.
5 to 7 years old. Crescent Bay.
Yes, Crescent Bay is a prime project, prestigious project of L&T. It is located at Parel, and this is a 50 storage building, and we have got a flat on 33rd floor, and this is 1,800 square feet plus 850 square feet is the deck area. So totally it comes to 2,700 square feet carpet area, and this is a 4 BHK flat with 3 car parkings, and with all the amenities. It has got a wonderful walkway on the 21st floor. The picture will come just now. Next picture. And Parel is a South Bombay area, and this is available at 10.5 CR.
Okay. Then we got Lodha.
This is Lodha Palava. This is again at Dombioli. This is a villa, golf link villa. Again, here all the amenities are available, including including swimming pool, golf club. Everything is available, and this villa is available at 5.5 CR. And the plot area is 4,500 square feet. It's a beautiful villa.
We have now the tree again, 2 BHK flat.
This is a 2 BHK flat ready possession and resale available in the tree of Godrej. This is a resale flat, and this is on the second floor. It is available at 2.9
9.
CR. Yeah.
Right. Penthouse.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This is a penthouse. It is at Kopar Khirne, 5th and 6th floor penthouse it is. And internal stairs are available. And this is a 3 BHK penthouse, but the terrace area of 100 square feet has been converted to a 4th bedroom, and in this with society approvals. So this is available at 2.5 CR. So not that.
Urva Chembur.
Sir, its price is not given. No?
Yeah, it's okay. You can explain.
Yeah. This is in Chembur at just walking distance from Chembur. This is a 1 BHK to 3 BHK flats available in this premises, and it's Purva Chimbur. This is known as Purva Chimbur, and it's a 3 BHK and 4 BHK flats are available.
985 square feet, 1455 square feet are available.
Yeah,
It's brand new.
yeah. 630 square feet is the carpet area for 2 BHK.
Airoli flat.
Yeah. This flat is available in Airoli, and it is very near to the IT park area of IT area, very well-known area. And Airoli is a prime area in New Bombay. So this flat is available at 1.42 CR, and this is on the 10th floor, and a similar flat is available on the second floor at 1.4 CR. This is a 2 BHK flat in Gansoli, and this is available at 1.5 CR. This is on the 7th floor, and it is well interior decorated, and it's available at 1.5 CR with one car park. This is a row house available, and the owner is along with us, Mr. Kumar Walia.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and yeah, this we don't have any pictures, but this is available at 1 CR.
Oh, I see. 3 BHK independent house in Panvel.
Yeah.
What is the plot size?
Plot size, I think it is around 700 to 800 square feet.
And go. This one is 4 BHK flat in Thane.
Yeah, this is available on rent. This is 4 BHK flat, and this is fully Vastu compliant flat available opposite Viviana Mall at 35,000 per month rent, and 6 months rent will be the deposit.
Rental properties are not to be shown. Anyway, it's okay. You have gone ahead and done that. But next time we will take only the sale property.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
I think that's from Utpal side. Now we will move on to Yogesh. Yogesh Javeri. Can come over.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the first flat. Is a spacious two-bedroom hall kitchen in Juhu scheme. This is one of the most green and the quiet neighborhood of the western suburb, with around 4 gardens around, and this is around 900 carpet, and price at 3.9 CR. You see, it's quite well made and spacious flat with one car park. Next, sir. So this is a two-bedroom hall kitchen, again a spacious flat in the heart of Bandra, a location called Hill Road. It's a 850 carpet on the 5th floor. Again, a very well-made flat. Price at 4.4 CR. So next project is a under construction project of Shapurji Palanji. It's a 3 BHK project. Carpet size is 1229. It comes at a price of 6.5 crore all inclusive, including 2 car parks. It comes with a terrace garden, terrace cinema view, lounge, gym, and possession is next year, March 2021. Sir, this is not mine.
It's not yours?
No, not here, not mine.
Okay. The last one is yours, right?
You missed out the 3 BHK presidential project of Godrej. You last 2 years missed out.
1 minute. Which one? Can you tell me which one is this? Is this the one?
Yes, last 2.
So this one, that is Bandra 4.4. That we have shown.
That is done. You need to go up. I think the first 2 are left.
1229, Shapurji, that is also.
It's done. It's done. It's done. Need to go up. Next project. Yeah, that one. That one.
Okay. This Godrej also is done. 1316.
Godrej is left.
Yeah. Okay. Then we will show that Godrej and then move on to.
Yeah. So this is a new project. It's a ready project with OC in Bandra in a very prime location of Linking Road. It has 2 BHK around 770 carpet, 3 BHK 1100 carpet. It comes with a deck and a very beautiful view of the sunset and the skyline uh, in Mumbai. And it comes with a terrace garden, gym.
Price?
Price is starts from 2 BHK 4.5 CR, 3 BHK around 6.5 CR. Now the Godrej project. Below.
Below, is it?
Yeah.
No, which is.
Down. No. It's below that. Yeah, that one. So this is a Godrej project, a merging of Godrej and the RK Studios. It's an under construction project and very luxurious project made with 20 amenities. It's made on a large land parcel of 2 acres and very low density of only 120 flats, 3 bed, 1316 carpet, priced at 5.7 CR all inclusive. Then there's also higher options available.
So that's all right from your side?
Yeah, and that project comes with swimming pool, squash court, private mini theater, etc.
Dish. Do we have Nirav Mehta on? Nirav Mehta ji?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
You ready? Okay, just
Yeah.
a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, this is Everest World property located in on Kolshet Road of Thane, and it's a two BHK flat with 970 area, and the price is around 1.15 CR, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. The next one is, it's a Lodha one, right, sir?
Yes.
Lodha Splendora. It's also on Ghodbandar Road, Thane. And this flat is 3 BHK flat, ready to move in, with 1150 carpet area. And super built up is 1737. The price is 1.4 CR, sir. This one is Agarwal Estate on Manpada Road near Ghodbandar Road. This property is 2 BHK flat and 1000 square feet area, and price is 1.25 CR.
Lodha case. Lodha Casa.
Lodha Casa. Yeah, this is a new building ready to move in with 2 BHK flat, and carpet, super built up is 1036 with price 1.1 CR. Next one is Ronak Unnati Garden. Ronak Gardens near Thane West in Ghodbandar Road. This is also 2 BHK flat and 795 square feet with prices around 1.16 CR. Next one is Royal Galaxy. This is 3 BHK property, resale property, located on, pictures are not moving. Yeah, now it's so this is Royal Galaxy building, and it's on LBS Road, main road of connecting to Mumbai and Agra. We call also Mumbai Agra Old Road. This is 3 BHK flat, 1300 area, and price is 1.16 CR.
1.16.
Yeah, 1.6. Sorry, 1.6.
1.6.
The next one is, what was the name, sir?
LBS Road, Galaxy. Royal Galaxy.
That I already explained, sir.
You explained, right?
Next, we should move on to Ronak Tower 1 property.
This is, yeah, Thane.
Yeah, Ronak Tower, Pokhran Road.
Kapurbawadi.
Okay, Kapurbawadi. Okay. This is Nilkant Palms near on the Ghodbandar Road. Kapurbawadi is also known for this location. And there is a DAV High School nearby there. And Cine Wonder Mall also is there. And this property is 3 BHK, 1300 area, and 2.25 CR value.
Next is this Thane 2 BHK, ground of 27. Ground floor of 27 floors totally.
Yeah.
Ozone.
Ozone Acme Ozone.
Yeah, correct.
This is on Manpada Ghodbandar Road. This is also 2 BHK flat. Its area is 1037 and the price is 1.2 CR.
Okay. The last one.
Yeah, that's Rustamji Acura. It's a beautiful property of Rustamji Builders, ready to move in. And this is 2 BHK flat and area is 785 and it's available at 96 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah, we have for a few properties of Rustamji, but still the details are not available with me. There are 2-3 properties there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you, Nirav. Now,
Thank you very much, sir.
yeah, we will move on to Narayan to present Goa. Narayan?
Yeah. Yeah, good morning, everyone. This is Narayan here from Goa, and I'm here to present properties in Goa. So kindly choose one of your properties to consider your retirement homes in Goa. So the first one is the Landings, which is located in Dabolim, Goa, close to Goa International Airport. This is a new project, and it has got 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. The 2 BHK apartments start from 52 lakh onwards, and 3 BHK start from 70 lakh onwards. The 2 BHK area starts from 1000 square feet, and 3 BHK starts from 1500 square feet. And it's got all the amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, children play area, and lift, all the possible amenities. Yeah, the next one, sir.
Yeah.
This one is Umia Seascapes Villa. It's 5 minutes driving distance from Goa International Airport. It's a row villa. It's a resale property. The area of this apartment is approximately 1,700 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom villa, row villa in a gated community. There is a common swimming pool in the community, 24/7 security services. It's around 4 years old, and it's got a partial sea view. Yeah, next one, sir. This is Risara Luxury. This is one of the prominent builders of Goa, Risara Properties. And this is in Talegaon, Panji, capital city of Goa. And this project is one of its kind. It's got a ozone swimming pool. It's got amenities like children's play area. It's got each apartment comes with 2 car parkings, and the builder is giving for 2 BHK apartments. He's giving ACs in both the bedrooms, and for 3 BHK he's giving also in 3 BHK giving AC in all the 3 bedrooms. And the area of this apartment 2 BHK is 1,700 square feet, and the price starts from 1.2 crores. This is Rangvi Estate. These are plots, developed plots, and the area of the plot is 5,455 square feet, and the price is 68.5 lakhs. This is in Bogmalo, just behind the Goa International Airport, but a very peaceful location. And these are east-facing flats. I mean plots. This is Rangvi Sands. This site is just 600 meters away from the Holland beach and 5 minutes driving distance from Bogmalo beach. These are under construction apartments. Will be ready by March 2021. The best part of this project is it's got very flexible payment options. There are different payment options the builder is giving. The area of these apartments, 1 BHK apartment starts from 652 square feet, and 2 BHK starts from 956 square feet. 2 BHK is priced at 39 lakhs, and 2 BHK is priced at around 60 lakhs. The price is during lockdown, the builder is giving very good offers. So somebody interested, you can.
Can you talk about the offers? What are the kind of offers that you have?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
When he says now book at 50,000 rupees, some flexible payment and all you're talking about.
Yeah, I'll just open the.
Yeah. So what I could see here is it says something to do
Yeah,
with
I'll open.
banking, financing, and all that. And I
See,
think
there are four types of offers he's giving. In the first type, I'll open it.
yeah, you want me to show this? Yes.
Yeah, I'm opening on the first is a bullet scheme. In the first month, you have to pay just 5% of booking amount. Second month, again 5% of booking amount. Third month, again 5% booking amount, and fourth month 5% booking amount. Balance 80% is financed by the bank. There is no EMI till the possession, so it's a good scheme. The second one is balloon scheme. First month 20%, then third month 40%, sixth month 35%, and possession during possession 5%. Bank finance also possible in this scheme. And the third one is jet scheme, wherein first person 20% booking, second month 75%, and during possession 5%. So best part of this is no EMI till possession. So you just have to pay that 20% and then wait till the possession of the apartment. Then the EMI will start.
All right.
Booking amount is just 50,000 now during the lockdown.
Okay. So thank you, Narayan. Now we will invite Gautam. Gautam, can you come and explain about yours? Gautam is there?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
My first property is Highland Beach Resort. It is a resale property, 2 BHK flat at the prime location of Goa, that is just next to the Kandolim beach, with an area of 975 square feet. It is fully furnished and ready to move in property. It has amenities like swimming pool, reserve car parking, and restaurants. Its yearly maintenance is 25,000. Thus, this property is well maintained. And price of this property is 70 lakhs.
Very nice. Go on.
Yeah. The next is Link Raghavan Green Valley. It is a new property. It's 3 BHK villa with a total area of 2008 square feet. It has spacious balconies, extra storage space, and play area for children. Uh, there is there is 24 hours security in the complex and has a permanent maintenance staff. This place is located just 3 kilometers away from the capital city of Panjim. It has amenities like CCTV surveillance, community hall, gated complex, solar power, lights and water heater, swimming pool and visitors lobby. And the price of this property is 1.24 CR. Next,
Theolin.
next is Moise Navilkar Avenue, Shivolim. It is a 2 BHK newly built property with an area of 102 square meters. It is a ready to move in property. It has two balconies, an independent open terrace, one car park, and it is a gated complex. This property is located very close to the North Goa beaches and the Maksa city. The price of this property is 85 lakhs. Next,
Mapusa.
next is Rashtoi Residency Maksa. It is a new property. It is 2 BHK apartment with an area of 59 square meters. It is newly constructed and semi-furnished property. This apartment is on the second floor. It has amenities like lift, reserve parking, well water as backup. This property is right on the Mumbai-Bangalore highway through Goa, just 3 kilometers away from Maksa market and 10 kilometers away from the new Goa airport. and the price of this property is 47 lakhs.
Very nice. This is
Yes.
damn affordable.
Next,
The next,
next is SK Elite Mapsa. This is a resale property with 2 BHK semi-furnished. It is 5 years old unused flat with an area of 90 square meter. This property is on upper ground and has a self parking and very close to the Mumbai-Bangalore highway and the city of Mapsa. And the price of this property is 50 lakhs.
thank you, Gautam.
Thank you, sir.
Now we will move on to Mr. Sudesh. Sudesh, you have two properties to show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My both are from South Goa.
Okay.
My first property is in Ponda first. The developer is Maharudra Real Estate Ponda. Name of the project is Enchanting Greens. Location is, and the surrounding are, the project is in Ponda Taluka, in Ponda city, Khadpaban, Ponda, Goa, in the prestigious area. And the schools, college, market, temples, bus stand, government offices are very near. It is a primary under construction project. It has a isometric view. All are 2 BHK and the area ranging from 1,243 to 1,256 square feet. The project highlights are it's within municipal area, gated complex with security. It has a swimming pool, children play area, extra large apartment, dedicated covered car parking to all, sewage treatment and many more. The pricing is 4,700 per square feet. Plus it has 5,98,955 extra charges which include taxes, legal and maintenance charges. And that total comes to 64 lakh.
Okay. I think affordable.
Pardon?
It is quite affordable and nice property.
Yeah. And the second one is, it's also in South Goa. The developer are Sodankar Construction from Madgaon. Project name is Nidhi Apartment. The location is in the Savardem Taluka near Tilamol. It's very near to, it's touching highway. Schools, colleges, market, court, stadium are within 1 kilometer. It's again a primary property, but it is ready property, new building ready. All are 2 BHK flats. Area of each flat is 1,070 square feet. And the amenities are door frame of granites, vitrified tiles, good quality bathroom fittings. All steps are of granite. The project is already approved by HDFC and Andhra Bank. And the pricing are 3,900 per square feet. That is 42,73,000 per flat.
Okay. Thank you, Sudesh.
Thank you.
Now we will move on to the Bangalore flats. Okay. We will start with Gopinath.
Sir, Ashley is remaining.
Oh, okay. You have properties to show. Which one would you like to show? The ones which you already are there. That is one. That is the one, right? Hello.
Sir, that one is there, and the 4 other also, sir.
Okay.
Last time it was listed in the sheet.
Right. This one, Aqua Grandis, Grandiose and all that?
Yes, correct. That's the one, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
So continuing with the properties in Goa. This one is perfect for somebody who is looking for a vacation getaway, as well as make some rental income at very high rates during the peak season. This is a 1 BHK located at Arpora in the heart of the tourism district. The total area of 656 feet. It is fully loaded. Whatever, and it's got a play area as well as swimming pool. What you see in the pictures is exactly what you get. Bedsheet के अलावा बाकी सब कुछ offer में है with full furnishing. Swimming pool is available. During the peak season, the rentals go up to around 6,000 per night. This is set at 50 lakhs. The price is set at 50 lakhs. This is a similar kind of offer. Again, in the heart of the tourism district. Again, a 1 BHK, slightly lower area at Saligaon. It is just 15 minutes from Kalangut Beach. It's got a car park and swimming pool. Again, this is fully loaded, including the kitchen appliances and the furnishing, except for the linen. Power backup is available. Again, this can also be employed with the local property managers for up to 5,500 per night. The price is set at 40 lakhs. Now, this is a spacious villa in a very spacious plot. This villa is a total of 2,900 square feet, and it is in a plot of around 5,000 square feet. It is the ground floor has got a porch, the front porch, a dining area, a very vast drawing area. The first floor has got a covered balcony. First floor has got 2 bedrooms, and the ground floor has got 1 bedroom. It's got 3 bathrooms attached. It is very close to the malls and the upcoming area of Porvaram. The price is set at 2 crores. That's not mine, sir.
No, that's the
no, sir. That we have seen. There is one more, sir. That is that
Emerald
20. Sir, 28. 28.
Snow Homes.
Yes, yes.
I thought that's the one which you showed.
Yes, sir. This is a first floor 2 BHK house, very close to the Kalangut Beach, just about 15 minutes from Kalangut Beach. It is spacious at 1,100 square feet. Even though it is very close to the tourism belt, it is in a very quiet area. It has got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 4 balconies. It's got a swimming pool right next by, and the market is very nearby. It is only 15 minutes from Thivim. The price is set at 56 lakhs.
The last one is the Emerald one.
No, sir.
Emerald.
No, sir. No, sir. I'm not putting it up now, sir.
Okay, fine. That's all. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So we'll move on to now Bangalore properties. We will start with Gopinath. Gopinath, can you come over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start with you. TC Palya property.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Gopinath. I have 5 properties listed in this virtual expo today. The first property is in independent house. Its total land area is 4,200 square feet. Out of 4,200 square feet, 1,200 is constructed 2 BHK. It's an independent house. It's a east facing. It's near to Sunny Layout, Varanasi Main Road, TC Palya, and Scarepuram. It's a big kata property.
What is it priced at?
Price is 2 crores.
3 BHK flat.
This property is in Pashmina waterfront. It's a 3 BHK flat. The square feet is 1,894 square feet. The flat is located in 9th floor out of 38 floors. It is a east face flat. The area is 1,894 square feet. The cost of the flat is 1.3 crores. The property is located in Kyarpuram. This is a 2 BHK independent house. The area is 1,200 square feet. It's a north facing property. Land is A Kata property and building is B Kata. It's a 1.5 years old property. It is located in Sigehalli, Kyarpuram. The cost of this property is 87 lakhs. This property is a 7 BHK independent house. This is constructed in keeping in mind the rental property. The land is 1,280 square feet. It's total 7 BHK. Ground floor, there is a 1 BHK with car parking and two-wheeler parking. First floor, there is a 1 2 BHK. Second floor, 2 1 BHKs. And third floor, 2 1 BHKs. Fourth floors, we have only one hall with attached bathroom. It is a northeast corner flat. It's a 1 year old property and the cost is 1.45 CR. A monthly rental income expected is 58,000. The last property which I'm showing is here. It's a 3 BHK flat is in Beltur. The property is a east face in third floor. It's a Sadhana apartment in Beltur. The land area is 1,050 square feet and the property is 15 years old. It is located in Beltur, Kadguri. The cost of this property is 43 lakhs.
Thank you so much, Gopinath. Now I invite
You're welcome, sir.
Anand. Anand?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, Anand, your first property.
This is the one.
This is Nayandalli of Mysore Road.
Okay. This is a new property by one of the A category builder, that is Solarpuria Sattva Divinity. It's on the Mysore Road, Nayandalli, and it's a premium residential property built on 11-acre land parcel. Property offers 10 towers and 824 units of 1, 2, and 3 BHK options. And the built-up area ranges from 688 square feet to a max of 1,864 square feet. The property is BDA and BBMP approved. It's full Vastu compliant with around 80% open space. And coming to the amenities, it has a 3-level clubhouse, a shopping mall, a 7-screen multiplex, and host of other amenities, close to around 35 to 40 amenities.
Your video is not on, Anand.
One second.
Next property is Chandra.
I think I have,
yeah.
My video is on here.
The video is on?
Yeah, yes. Okay. Shall I move to the second one?
Yeah, move on.
Okay. Second property, it's a resale property. It's a newly constructed 3 BHK flat with a built-up area of 1,400 square feet. It has got 2 bathrooms, 1 attached bathroom, and 1 balcony you get, and 1 puja room. It's a semi-furnished flat, but main door facing east. It's available on 2nd floor out of 4 floors, and it is less than 5 years old. The price is around 90 lakhs plus 2,000 maintenance per month. This price is excluding registration, and it's walkable distance to the bus stand, and the metro station is less than 1 kilometer. and Bangalore railway station is around 7 kilometers from this. Okay. So this property is again a resale property by a very recognized builder in the locality. It's a 2-year-old property consisting of 2 towers with 20 flats in each tower. That's an Ekata property, and it's approved by BBMP, and also OCS obtained from BBMP. Out of 40 units, around 5 units are available. The built area ranges from 1,100 to 1,450 square feet, and the price ranges from 50 lakhs to 72 lakhs, depending on say a 2 and 3 BHK and the built-up area. And the prices excluding registration and stamp duty. Coming to the amenities, it includes a guest waiting lounge on each floor that is exactly opposite to the left, and you have a community hall. It's a kind of a common area, common hall, which you can use it for multi-purpose. We have a children's play area and a dedicated covered car parking you get.
Okay, the next property is duplex flat for sale in Vidyaranyapura. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you already audible, Anand, sir.
Go ahead. Okay. So it's a 3 BHK duplex flat with a built-up area of 1,760 square feet on second and third floor with east-facing door. The property is a Ekata property with fully Vastu compliant, and it has got basic amenities like lift, power backup, and car parking. The price is 97 lakhs excluding registration. The location is in Vidyaranyapura, BL layout, 3rd block. And the nearest railway station, Yeshwantpur Maya railway station, is around 7 kilometers from it. And the last property is again a resale property. It's a newly constructed 3 BHK flat with a super built-up area of 1,619 square feet available, and it's almost in the finishing stage. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1 balcony with puja room, and the main door is northeast facing, and it's on the 2nd floor out of 4 floors, overlooking the garden and the main road. The selling price is 1.65 CR excluding registration, and is located in the heart of the city. You can say it's one of the prime locations in Bangalore called Baswangudi. Less than 1 kilometer from the metro station, and the railway station is around 5 kilometers from it. That's it from my side.
Nagarbavi, there is one, 51 lakhs.
Which one?
Nagarbavi.
Nagarbavi, okay, even that is included. Okay,
Yes.
Just give me a minute.
51 lakhs.
Okay, so now it's a newly constructed apartment. The project has around 60 apartments with G+4 floors and 12 units on each floor. And 2 BHK starts from 1,229 square feet to 1,268 square feet. And the 3 BHK starts from 1,500 square feet to 1,650 square feet. And the price ranges from 73 lakhs to 79 lakhs for 3 BHK. And 51 lakhs to 65 lakhs for 2 BHK. It's a Ekata BDA property, RERA approved with all legal documents, and the home loans are available from leading banks like HDFC, SBI, Axis Bank. And the closest railway station is Kengeri railway station, which is around 7 kilometers, and the airport is around 50 kilometers from this place.
Thank you, Anand.
Thank you.
So we'll move on to Murthy.
Sir. So good afternoon, everybody. I am Mr. Murthy here. So the first one is sir.
First one is plot, residential plot.
Okay. There is one residential plot at Visheshwaraya layout. It is in Kengeri Hubli near Nagarbavi. The 3 sites in a row. Total area is 3,645 square feet. The cost of it is around 4,500 square feet, and it is a BDA approved plot.
What is the cost of this?
4,500 square feet.
So that comes to around 1 crore 64 lakhs.
Exactly. It's a 3 sites in a row.
Okay.
With 60 feet road.
Okay. Now we have got reliable.
Yes. Next one, I am touching a renowned property by reliable developers. The project name is Reliable Dollar Colony. It is spread over 82 acres land, and these reliable developers have a track record since 1999. So they have developed more than 18 projects fully for international gated community. This project is near HSR layout and also nearer to Electronic City. The specialty of this project is before the project opens, they have given all the amenities like club. There are 2 clubs in fact. One is a day theme and one is a night theme. Both clubs are available for phase 1 and phase 2, and it is the largest BDA approved plot. It is for international gated community. It is fully owned by reliable developers. The whole layout is designed using the brilliant combination of architecture and landscaping, curated by Alan W. Senarens from Eco Design, Florida. And it is surrounded by all good malls, schools, colleges within 4 or 5 kilometers. It has got some special features like herb garden, spice garden, 2.5 acres of park, 25 seaters, mini theater, like that. There are 2 plotted communities. One is the premium plots, it ranges from 4,900 per square feet. The one more is Elite series, it starts from 3,800 per square feet. It's got world-class infrastructure. All the cables like water, electric cables are all will be built on a footpath in front of the plot. So repair, maintenance is very easy. So there are good 2-3 schemes also for the COVID. So if anybody is giving token advance now in another 15 days, the company is going to pay the 3.99% of interest rate from SBI first 3 years. This is a scheme they have given. So it is an international gated community project for good lifestyle. Anybody is interested, directly contact VMAX or myself.
Thank you. Now we'll invite Dilip. Dilip. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, this is the first property.
Yes.
This is at Jayanagar towards KR Road. It is a newly built apartment, which is starting from 2.2 CR2 up to 4.5 CR. From 2 BHK it is available. 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, and 4 BHK, which is a square feet starting from 1,759 square feet up to 3,038 square feet. And this apartment, how much now? First floor to 22nd floor is a apartment, and from 23rd and 24th floor is a fully maintained with all amenities, from a swimming pool, clubhouse, and gym, everything inside this only. This is one of the prime location in Bangalore, which is towards Jayanagar. New property.
Great. CV Ramanagar.
Yeah, this is a plot for sale at CV Ramanagar, which is a corner plot of northwest facing of 2,600 square feet. Now current price is 9,500, slightly negotiable per square feet, which I quoted. It's good for residential building to construct here, or any apartment also, which can get more good rental income.
Sigehalli.
This is a plot which is around 3,600 square feet. Same quoting prices 9,500, slightly negotiable. This is good location for any commercial building where you can build, or good apartments can be built it. This is towards main road in CJLE, and good for institute also running here.
You have
Corner plot. This is west facing, south facing.
You have 2 more properties, Dilip?
One, sir.
One more, is it?
Yelahanka, Kodigelli.
Yeah, let's see. Which one is this?
Down next one, Kodigelli, independent house.
Right. Yeah.
This is an independent house at Kodigelli, which is the plot size is 1,590, and 2 BHK in ground floor and 2 BHK in first floor, which is getting around monthly rental now 35,000 per month they're getting, which is a resale property. It's a B Kata TC conversion.
Thank you, Dilip. Now I invite Savita to come and present your property. You've got 4 properties now.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. Yes.
Yeah, my first property is Gotigere, sir.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, this is the independent house for sale in Gotigere, Bannerghatta Road, which is one of the very good location in Bangalore South especially. This is a 4 BHK of BBMP approved A Kata of 2,400. It's a built up area of plot length of 600. This is on the southwest corner property. This is around from ground floor plus 3 floors is the independent house constructed with a good rental income around 45 plus, and the selling price is around 1 CR negotiable, sir.
Okay.
So the next property?
Yes. Vidyaranyapura.
Yeah. So this is a flat. This is a BBMP Ekata flat. This is a 9-year-old flat in Vidyaranyapura in a very good location. This is of 2 BHK. 2 BHK, 2 bath and 2 balconies. And full marble flooring with security, lift, full power backup for lift and for the flat also. And it's a 1,050 built up area, fully furnished with good interiors done by the owner, sir. And the selling price is around 70 lakhs is quoting.
Houses.
So the next one?
2 BHK of 10 houses, you say?
Yeah. This is a BBMP Ekata resale independent house of 6-year-old, sir. This is around 1,200 square plot length for ground plus 4 floors, where 2 houses are there in each floor. This is a fully semi-furnished, and all apartments are facing east facing, sir. Separate electrical water meters are given to all houses individually. And he's quoting around 3.3 CR negotiable, sir. This property is available in JP Nagar 7th phase, sir. And the last property is 2 BHK residential apartment. It's a new construction. It's under construction, almost completed around 96%. Because of this COVID, some minor work is held up. This is a 2 bed, 2 bath and 1 balcony of 1,085 super built up area. This is on the first floor out of total 5 floors flat. Semi-furnished east facing with good interior, very good interiors done by the owner with wardrobe fittings, modular kitchen unit and vitrified files. So apartment has all amenities like lift, gated security, 24/7, 4-wheeler and 2-wheeler covered car parking available, solar, then intercom, power backup fully is available in the flat for lift and for the flat also, sir. The property is available in New BEL Road, near to Ramaya Hospital. It's in a very good locality and the selling price is around 97 lakhs negotiable, sir.
Thank you, Savita. Manjunath, you have a property, right? One minute, Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, starts from Hulimau.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. It's a two-bedroom resale apartment available in near Hulimau, close to Meenakshi Mall, and it's in 5 years old, east-facing flat with 1050 SFT, semi-furnished with one car parking, and price is 55 lakhs.
This is for Rashmi. Rashmi, I think your friend might probably be interested in this apartment. You can refer this apartment to your friend. If she is there, is she there in the exhibit?
No, I think she didn't join.
She didn't join. Okay, this probably could be matching for her. Just have a look at this property.
Bannerghatta Road.
Yeah, Hulimau.
Hulimau.
Hulimau is
2 BHK, 55 lakh.
55 lakhs, 5 years old, good maintained, and this is second floor.
Okay.
And this is one of the premium project in Baswantgudi, spread across 3 acres area with all high-end amenities. Only last few flats left for sale. And this is in ready to occupy apartment, 3 and 4 bedroom, with all high-end amenities, and you got amphitheater, swimming pool, and all other amenities. So the price starts from 3.9 CR. This is also an high-end project on Bull Temple Road, Baswantgudi, with an ground plus 23 floors approved, with all amenities, with high-end gym and other areas. And these also only last few flats available. And it's ready to occupy. Price start from 4 CR. This is a new apartment built on BDA approved 30 to 50 land area with G plus 3. That is totally 4 floors. Each floor has got only one apartment like house, which can yield a very good rental income. And the price for it is 3 crores.
This is independent house, right?
Yeah, all are independent houses, independent floors. This is a premium apartment available for resale. It is 10 years old, but it's an unused flat. It is owned by an NRI, and it's very close to Baswantgudi Bull Temple, Bugle Rock, and Krishnara Park. It's a 3 bedroom with 3 attached bathroom with 3 open balconies, and the whole apartment has got only 6 flats and 1 reserved car parking. The price for it is 2.4 CR.
Okay, thank you, Manjunath.
Thank you, sir.
Is there anyone else whom I have left? I think everybody has been covered. So with this, I think we have come to the fag end of the exhibition, virtual expo that we have had. I think let's see if there are any questions which are unanswered. Mr. Vishal Agarwal, are you there? By any chance?
Yeah, I'm present.
Mr. Hasmukh Shah is there by any chance?
Shikhar, I think Vishal is there. He said hi.
Vishal is there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, Vishal, I think you have some point, right? You wanted to say something.
Yeah.
What is that actually?
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Vishal Agrawal. I have started my services in the real estate from last year. And I already have projects in hand. I have tie-ups with the builders in Goa. So I have projects for lying in the various portfolios from ranging from 60 lakhs to 80 CR in Goa, where properties are available for sale, both for residential, commercial.
Okay.
Land areas is available. So friends, to your network, if anybody would be interested in investing in properties in Goa, which is in demand because being a tourism space, thank God coronavirus in helping us, okay, and not helping us, but helping us in terms of getting clients
online. That is the beauty of this, pandemic. There is some network issue, Vishal. I think you have.
No, that's perfectly fine.
Now can
okay, so feel free to contact me, okay, and you can take my contact details from Sridhar sir for the same.
Vishal, are you from Goa? This is Narayan here. Are you from Goa?
Yeah, I'm in Goa, Narayan.
Which place? Which place, Vishal?
Well, my home is at Asagaon near Anjuna Church, but I am staying in Panjim, Karanjaram.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. See, now you can get in touch with Narayan. Narayan is from Goa and he is representing our organization. And he has showcased your properties. I hope you would have seen what he has showcased.
Yes, I've seen. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
He will be in touch with you. You also be in touch with him, and we will see how we can collaborate and work together.
Definitely. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else? I'm seeing Hasmukh Shah is there by any chance? He has posted something, but he has gone. Looks like he has left. Okay, Hasmukh Shah.
Vinayak Seth. Vinayak Seth.
Vinayak Seth. Vinayak Seth, is it?
Yeah, there is one Vinayak Seth.
Yeah, is he there right now? Yeah, can you unmute yourself and introduce yourself? Speak, Mr. Vinayak. Mr. Vinayak. No.
Even I am not able to unmute him.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. I think there could be some properties which people would have expected and come here, and that may not be available probably for display today. But it doesn't mean that we don't have. If you look at remaxacereality.in, this is the website we have. In this website, if you go there, the Bangalore properties, we have more than about 500 plus. It is already listed in that website. All that you need to do is just, there is a search column. I will just show that for a minute for the benefit of people who have not got properties what they wanted to. Just get into Remax website, remaxacereality.in. .in is the name of the website. Just click here. So our website will open up. Okay, so it has a mix of all the properties. Now, let's say that we wanted to see what are the Bangalore properties that we have. Just click Bangalore. Go to Bangalore. Search. And you see here, we have got about 341 properties listed in Bangalore. In Bangalore, if you are particularly interested in any particular location, say for example, Basavangudi, right? We can search that, and we can see in Basavangudi, we have got about 27 results. Okay. Similarly, one more example I will show you, Jayanagar. So we have another 27 results in Jayanagar also. Okay, so like this, you can just, all that you need to do is, there is a search button here. Just type out, the name. Electronic City is now, I'm just searching, just to show you that how you can search the properties. Okay, and 11 results are there in Electronic City. Supposing you like this particular property and you wanted to contact any one of us, the agent's name, agent's photograph, agent's WhatsApp number, and all that is available. You see, this is the photograph of Mr. Srinivas Murthy, who is taking care of this property. His number is listed below. Mobile number and WhatsApp number is listed below. So the description of the details are given here. And similar properties, matching properties are also available, you can see. So this is the website that you can log into, see. Otherwise, you can also get in touch with us in case some of the properties, in spite of coming to the website, you are not able to see that. You don't have to worry, because we are connected with about 1,25,000 agents all over the world. And in Bangalore, we are connected with about 150 plus agents. In India, we are connected with about 1,500 agents. So you can always get in touch with me. I am the founder and promoter of this organization. My number is 855-301-5850. And we'll connect with you, and we'll connect with any of the agents and make sure that your need is fulfilled. And for your information, we are the largest seller, real estate seller in the world. On an average, agent sells around 17 properties in a year. We have about 1,34,000 agents. You can multiply 1,34,000 into 17, which comes to approximately around 22 lakh property sales in a year. There is no one in the world who is matching this kind of number. And since it is a US-based organization, we cannot simply say and then get away with it. When we are saying we have statistics to prove. So anybody can come and check with the organization to see whether the statement that what we are making is true or false. Okay, and we can get away in India, but definitely people cannot get away in US and Canada locations when they keep claiming that they are the number one for the last 35 years right now. The organization is old, around 47 years old. But since last 35 years, we have been claiming that we are the number one, and there is no competitor to match our standards of service. So thank you so much. And it's been lovely meeting all of you. I hope some of you would have been interested in some property or the other. So if it is true, then please get in touch with us and we will take it forward from there. Do you have any questions? If anyone wants to ask some questions, this is the time. Otherwise, we can wind up. We are also live in Facebook. So in Facebook, Narayan, are you able to see, are there any questions being asked in Facebook page? Just have a look. We are also live on Facebook. I'm sure that many people would have seen the kind of presentation that we have given today. We had close to around 150 registrations this week. So I'm sure that these people would have gone through the that we have either in Zoom or in Facebook. Narayan, I wanted to check if there are any questions unanswered in Facebook page. If there are nothing, then
I'm just checking, sir. I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Somebody has said hello. Some Prakash Magadira. Just he has said hello.
Okay. So there are no questions there.
No.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much then. Okay. We will all remember, if just wait for my WhatsApp message. I will communicate. We will, in case there's no communication coming from my side to all of you, we will meet as usual again tomorrow morning at 5:30. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Good day, sir.
Thank you.